see now, this is the reef of copper ore. And when you see the reef here, it's mined from outside up to here inside. And then when you see this, all these are reef. All these are reef, and you can see copper the way it's coming here up and down. And when you mine from here and there, you can see when you come up here, this is a reef. All these are reef of copper, and you can see here, just to see the way is it up to here, and even up. You can see up top, and then you come down. This all reef of copper. There's plenty copper over here, and when you come over here, also you can see this from here. All these are reef of copper, and all this reef of copper. So it means that we can start to mine anytime, and then we get copper plenty over here. So please, just to see what is it and what is going on. This is copper reef. I think you can see now the way is it. Thank you. Be my partner. Thank you.